health and wellness coach as well as a certified personal trainer, Sabla Lemma used to be a registered nurse. While working in the emergency room, she says she saw so many people suffer from diseases as they could help control with simple life adjustments.
I was an ER nurse and I used to watch many people lose their life due to diabetics and high blood pressure. I have witnessed families paying so much money for the health care for problems or diseases that could have been prevented. People don't need to pay high prices to buy additional supplements, medications, or to hit the gym. They can simply adjust their lifestyle by consuming plant-based and easy-to-find produce and easy physical movements.
Seeing so much suffering during COVID-19 pandemic, she created training programs available online and in person.
During COVID-19, many people were working from home and they suffered with stress. Many were gaining weight and facing depression. As they work from home, they got used to eating and not exercising enough. When I look at that, I said to myself, I have to work more on the prevention.
She also prepares plant-based organic energy drinks made with beetroot, ginger, cucumber, and the like. The brand is called Tenachin, meaning our health, in the language spoken in her native country, which is Amharic.
I started preparing the juices that I made from beetroots for myself, and I used to give it to my family. Initially, they were reluctant, but once they experienced energy boost and its benefits, they started to like it. Then I started sharing the recipe online and branding the juice.
Ms. Lemma says social media has made it easier to meet and help people from all over the globe. She really wants to help young people to create inspiration and a healthier generation.
I use Instagram and TikTok to reach out to my followers. I use TikTok because I want to address young people. I want young people to develop the sense of I can, healthy lifestyle, and leave addiction.
We hear often that experts say a healthy diet and regular exercise can help reduce the risk of diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetics. And it helps when nutrition and exercise programs are easily accessible and location is not a barrier.